this class we are going to be analyzing this structure and we will be designing the structure as well. So what we have to do next is to select the design icon on the menu bar and we click on automatic design. So the software will ask us if we want to perform this function, so we click yes. So having reviewed what that is these boxes, the elements here, we click on start automatic design. Now the software is asking us if we want to delete the previous results we have in this job, so we want to click yes. So the software is about to load the structure and is seeking for our permission to continue loading the structure. We click yes, and it's asking us if it should be allowed to design to analyze the structure, and we click yes. Analyzing slab, we click yes. The beam, we click yes. So we allow the system to analyze our beams. Then we are about to analyze our column. We click yes. Designing the structure is about time the software designed the structure, so we click yes. It's about to design the slab, we click yes. The beam, we click yes. The column design, we click yes. So the software will take a little time to make some changes, majorly when the model is big and is too big for the software. So the software is asking us if we would like to set the floor panel reinforcement specification limits. So if we want to make some changes on our reinforcement for the floor plan, for the panels, we can click yes. Here we can make reinforcements for the bottom outer layer, the main bar, and then the top layer for the main bar. This is the transverse layer of the main bar, and this is the longitudinal layer of the main bar. They are all main bars, but I want to use for this one 10 mm bar. I want to use 10 mm, and for this other one, let us use 12 mm. Then for the top reinforcement, and then for the dies for the distribution, I want to use for this one 10 millimeters. These are just the reinforcement I changed. You can as well leave the stuff the way it is and carry out your design and detailing using 12 mm for all the whole slab. That is the stuff about the slab changes. So we click on apply changes. Now the software is asking us if we would like to make some floor beams reinforcement changes for our beams. So this is the set floor beam reinforcement detail. So this is the set floor beam reinforcement specification limit. So the software is asking us if we would like to make some changes to our beam. So if there are some changes we want to make on our beams, all I have to do is to click on this yes, and then I'll make those changes. Here I can make changes on the bar diameter I want to use. I can make changes on the maximum bar diameter, but for this program I don't want to make any changes. I just popped up this for us to check what we want to do. So I click on cancel and let us continue. Now we are going to allow the system to size the columns for us. We'll click yes. We'll click yes. Then the system is about to create the foundation for us. So we are about to create the foundation. So we click yes. Now we are creating a part foundation. So we click yes. We'll click yes again. Okay, yes. We'll click yes. Staircase design, no. Now it's about to detail the foundation layout. We click yes. Then it's also about to detail the part foundation details. We click yes. Then the column details, you click yes. It's very fast. Okay, the floor details, you click yes, and then the general arrangement drawing for the floor slab details, you click yes. It's also detailing the floor general arrangement for this floor slab details. You click yes again. The roof beam details, we click yes. and the detailing of the roof beams, we'll select again. We want to create bar bending schedule for this job, so we click yes. Okay. We also want to prepare design calculation sheet for this job, so we click yes. Now this is the calculation sheet. We can click on prepare this sheet and our sheet will be prepared. Now the software is asking us if we would like to export all our design calculations to PDF file, so I click yes. So I want to select the folder where I want to save this, so I click on the desktop and I take it to I want to use this new. Okay, let us use. I had to create a new folder for the job, so I want to use this Civil Soft folder, and I'll click open. So we can save the job inside there, and click OK. Okay, there are so many commands this software gives for your job to be completed. Okay, it's just a little patience, and then now, okay, this is the sheet we just created, the design calculation sheet we just created, and they're now in PDF form, so we close for now and access later. Now the system is asking us if we would like to export all design calculations to AutoCAD. So the software is asking us if we would like to export all our design calculations to AutoCAD DSF. So I don't want to export this design to PDF, DSF, as PDF one, the one PDF can read. Okay, we'll click yes. Here we can set our title block. If you want to add your title block, you can you can click this edit title block information to edit some info about your title block. So for now I want to use it on default, so I click OK. Now the system is asking us if we would also like to export all our design drawing sheets to PDF, so I click yes. And here I still change the, I click on the desktop folder and I select Civil Soft, so I click open. Here I can save and I click OK. Now the next information will pop up. These are the jobs we've just created. The software has automatically detailed our job. This is the foundation layout. So we scroll down a little bit, we'll see our foundation details, our part base details. So we scroll down a little bit and we'll see our column details. So we can scroll down and we'll see the general arrangement drawing. So we still scroll down a little bit and we'll see our beam details. You see our slab reinforcement details and some others. We can access all of them. You can decide to access all of them when you are done doing your job. So we go back to our stuff here. So the system is also asking us if we would like to export all design drawing sheets to AutoCAD DSF. I don't want to do that, so I click no. So you have the page that's opened over here, and then the first page is the foundation layout page. So you can click this next button to move to the next design. We have the base type design. Okay, you can still click to view your column base, that's your foundation footings, different base types and then numbers for the job. You can click this button again to shift them, and then you can see all your footing details. So let us click this next button and you will see your column details. Here you can scroll down a little bit to see your complete column details, and Okay, thereabout. Now if you click next over here, you see your slab general arrangement drawing, and the next button here you will see the first floor beam details, very well detailed. First floor beam detailed, so you can click on this bar. Now these are our beam details. Now remember that this is something that will take somebody almost a whole day to prepare. Now we've been able to prepare this design within few minutes. It's not even up to 10 minutes. We've been able to prepare this design in this program. So we click on the next and we'll have the first floor slab details, and the software details your slab very perfectly and very well, and it's also very approachable. So we click on the next and we have the second floor general arrangement drawing, and the second floor beam. You click again, you have the second floor floor details, you have the roof beam, and you have the roof beam details. You can scroll up again and see your roof beam details. And at this point you can also decide to export this job to AutoCAD. You can decide to export this job to AutoCAD, but for now we are done doing the job. You see, we've modeled the job or the structure, we've also analyzed the structure, we've also designed the structure, and we've also detailed the structure perfectly, so we can export this our design to AutoCAD. This is always very nice to export your designs to AutoCAD. Here you can click on this export to AutoCAD. Now we have many options: export current drawing sheet to AutoCAD, not drawing sheet; export current drawing sheet to AutoCAD DSF, as okay. Now I said export all drawing sheets to AutoCAD DSF, and this one says we should export all drawing sheets to AutoCAD DSF. So we are going to include the title block, so we select this option for now and see what it does. Click on the desktop and select our folder where we are saving the job. Let us scroll a little, up a little bit, and we click on the Civil Soft. We change the name. I want to add another stuff to it, and double click on the folder to open, and we click on Save. Okay, now we've been able to save the job on the folder. So if we go back to the folder, we can be able to save to open the job there. So we have to locate the folder on my desktop background. We have the design calculation sheet. You can double click on it. Now if you double click on it, it's going to open this stuff in AutoCAD. There you can visualize your designs and then make some modifications to your designs. But that is just the simple and then best approach to structural design. This software is very fast and then also much economical. We can maximize this and view our jobs. Okay, let us click on the top stuff here for everything to show up. Now look at the complete job we have created. We have the complete job created and exported to AutoCAD. Okay, all you have to do at this point is to scale the job so that it will fit in on the title block. That's why I said before you perform this job or this before you use this software, you must be good in using AutoCAD. So you have to scale out this job so that it will fit in on the title block. At this point, we've been able to make some expositions on the softwares. Okay, you see that we've exported the drawings to PDF. If you open that folder, you will see the files we exported. This document, you see all the whole files. Okay, everything has been converted and exported, but I always prefer to export to AutoCAD, where I can change and scale out the drawing and plot so that it will have a better view. That is just the exposition in this program. It's also very approachable, and I hope you found the program very interesting. Thank you, and I'll meet you in my subsequent classes.